Hello student, let us solve the problem number 42 students. Dear student, if you find this video helpful, please do like and subscribe students, okay? At least you like this video student, okay? So that it can reach to other student also. The question is the combustion of 1 mole of benzene takes place at 298 Kelvin 1 atm. After combustion CO2 and H2O are produced. So benzene is there C6H6, it is getting combustion means O2, excess O2, and it is giving what student? CO2 plus H2O. Okay, so six carbon is there, so this is 6, and how many hydrogen there? 6 hydrogen means 3, so 3 2 ja 6, and how many oxygen is 6 2 ja 12, 12 3 15, so it is 15 by 2 oxygen. So this is gas. This is also gas, this is also gas, and this is the liquid. Now what we have to do for the enthalpy, here is the standard state enthalpy of formation is 0. Okay, so what is that? Is enthalpy of reaction. You know student, enthalpy of reaction. What is the enthalpy of reaction? Okay, enthalpy of reaction, we have to find out this. 1 atm combustion of CO2 and H2O are produced. How much enthalpy of combustion they are giving student? It is giving 3267. See student, sign not given, but this is in combustion reaction, it is the negative sign. Okay, so we can write delta H R X and reaction equal to negative 32 kilojoule per mole student, right? So enthalpy of reaction, how? Calculate the standard enthalpy of formation of benzene, standard enthalpy of formation of CO2. They have given how much? This is the CO2, they have given CO2, and this is given H2O. So already they have given much information, little bit we need student. Let us solve. So enthalpy of reaction means mass student, enthalpy of reaction equal to enthalpy of formation of product, enthalpy of formation of product, enthalpy of formation of product minus enthalpy of formation of reactant, enthalpy of formation of reactant. Okay, formation of reactant. Okay student, so enthalpy of formation of product, what are there in the product side student? Product side is there carbon dioxide and water. How many carbon dioxide? 6. So we can write 6 delta HF CO2 plus 3 delta HF H2O. Okay, minus what is there student? This is having 0, oxygen standard state, minus delta HF what student? Benzene, delta HF benzene C6H6. अब enthalpy of reaction is already there, they have given student how much? The combustion of 1 mole of benzene takes place at 298 Kelvin 1 atm. After combustion CO2 H2O are produced and 3267 kilojoule heat liberated. 3267. So enthalpy of reaction is there 3267. Okay, 3267, this much, 3267 kilojoule. So this is negative sign dear student, and they are asked for this value. Already they have given student, this value is given, this value is given. This is the what they are asking, enthalpy of formation of product. So we can write delta HF benzene C6H6 is equal to how much it will come student? This will come that side, that will go gets added. So 6 CO2, so 6 into negative sign of the CO2, it is giving 393. So 393.5, and then plus 3 water, enthalpy of formation 285. Okay, it is given how much student? 285.83. so it is 285.83, this much. Now what is there student? Enthalpy of formation of benzene, that we have to calculate. So minus delta HF C6H6, this we need student, this we need. So how much we have to get? Delta HF C6H6 is equal to what? We have to multiply this student. Okay, so that we can get the answers. Okay, so firstly we are rearranging, student. So enthalpy of reaction is given, student. Okay, and this value is given, student. How much is given? Delta HFC6H5 we are calculating. So delta HFC6H5 we have taken this side. So this side how much it will go? This will be the positive sign will go, student, positive. This will go positive because this value is going this side, na? So positive how much? 3267 this is coming, student. So let us solve, student. We need to multiply this out, student. So if you are multiplying this, 6 multiply by 393.5, it is coming 2361 minus 2361. Again this is the what sign is there for water, student? This is also negative sign, dear student. So we have to multiply 3 multiply by 285.83. so how much is coming? Negative 857.49 plus 3267. These both are negative, so it will get added, student. Okay, so how it will be if it is getting added? How much is coming, student? 2361 plus 857.49. so 3218, it will come 3218.49. No, this is negative sign, and plus 3267. So equal to minus 3267. So it is coming how much, student? This value 3267 is larger, so this will come plus 48.51 kilojoule per mole. This is the enthalpy of formation of benzene, delta HFC6H6. So this is the 4851 kilojoule per mole. So correct option is option number 2, student. Option number 2 is. Thank you so much for watching, friend. If you find this is helpful, please do like and subscribe, students.